Good morning. This is the our labs trained counselors. We are expressing our gratitude and our gratefulness to the organization for organizing such a wonderful and educative program. Prior to the first day, most of us were unaware of the different social media that are all over the world. But through the program, they were all made known to us. Social media like the Flickr, the blog, Facebook, Gmail, and the rest of them. And through the program, they were all made known to us, and their uses were also taught to us. And also, we are taught about the sex education, how we can contract the different sexual transmitted diseases, the STDs, and how we can prevent them, how the infected one can also control the actions of the virus in the body, and we are enlightened on how to how to prevent the contraction. And most of us also we are unawares of we are ignorant of the effect of the substance abuse. But through the program, before the end of the program, they were all made known to us the effect of substance abuse, how they affect our mentality and our general overall health, physical health. We are also grateful to the organization once again for organizing such a wonderful program. We wish our partners from South Africa a safe journey by the time they are traveling, and we also wish to have them back anytime soon. Thank you.
God.